Hello friends, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. So today I am here with one NFO. You can say it is a fund of fund, that is ICICI Prudential Silver ETF fund of fund. First of all guys, I just want to tell you that whenever we invest in a market, we have four options. First is equity, second is debt, third is real estate, fourth is commodity. Equity and debt, we have multiple options. Real estate, like rights issues and all there, so we are aware of it. Coming to the commodity market, we have two options, either as gold or as silver. In gold, if we check, we have still multiple options like sovereign gold bond, or we can invest in physical gold, or we have gold ETF. But now, the main important thing is SEBI has approved silver ETF too. Otherwise, previously we used to deal in silver by only through physical silver, buying silver jewelry or silver physical silver. But now we can do it in ETF format also. So here ICICI Prudential comes with the very first silver ETF fund. Its NFO period starts from 13th of January and it will be ending by 27th of January 2022. Going further, this inputs what drives the value of silver. So there is the economic outlook. Means during uncertain times, the investment in silver increases, leading to increased prices. This depends because when there was a crisis in 2008, the market Nifty has performed 50% lower. At that time, silver has given returns up to 13% positive. That means suppose we will whenever we invest in different commodities, different assets, it is like asset allocation. If you're investing in silver, if you're investing in Nifty 50, if you're investing in debt market, then we will be getting the benefits of all. If one sector is going down, silver is very poorly correlated with the market. So whenever, it's not like when market is going down, silver and gold will also go down. It's not like that, it might be opposite also. So this is what it indicates. Second one is industrial output. Silver is widely used in specialist electronics where cost allows, as it is an excellent conductor of electricity. It is not only used for a jewelry purpose, it is used as a renewable source of energy also. Third is supply and demand. Supply of silver fluctuates in tandem with the demand for other resources such as copper, gold, and zinc, whereas demand is heavily influenced by the industrial manufacturing outlook. Fourth is inflation. Silver prices history shows that in times of increasing inflation, the commodity increases in value. You can check it in gold and silver both. Fifth is interest rate. Interest rate reduction plays a role in inflation, thereby increasing the attractiveness of the silver while decreasing the attraction of the other asset classes. So, in order to gain the benefit of the asset allocation, we have one option to invest here. Going further, there is a heading like investment approach, fund of fund. What does it mean? ICICI Prudential Silver ETF fund of fund. The FOF invest in open-ended fund of fund scheme that invest in units of ICICI Prudential Silver ETF. First of all, that silver ETF fund came and then they have launched one fund of fund scheme. ICICI Prudential Silver ETF, its underlying ETF invests as an open-ended scheme, replicating and tracking the domestic price of silver and investing in an exchange-traded commodity derivative with silver as underlying. This means that a normal fund of silver ETF, which was launched earlier, that invests in domestic price of silver. Domestic price of silver means whatever is the current rate of silver in the ongoing market, they will invest in that. And why it is different from investing in silver ETF rather than taking the silver jewelry? The difference is that while buying in silver ETF, you have a higher chance of liquidity. Anytime if you want to sell that amount or sell that share, you can sell it in the market. While in case of jewelry, you might not get that particular price, or that is not convincible as compared if you are buying online and selling online. And apart from that, there is a cost of maintenance also. You don't have to pay any maintenance cost for that silver because it is a digital silver. Third is domestic price of silver. So what does it mean? The underlying index tracks the price. It tracks the price of physical silver in domestic prices as derived from the LBMA AM fixing prices. Whatever is the price benchmark rate, that will track the price and will proceed accordingly. Now it is saying why invest in ICICI Prudential Silver ETF Fund of Fund. ICICI Prudential AMC is launching ICICI Prudential Silver ETF Fund of Fund and ICICI Prudential Silver ETF to enable the investment from the non-demat account investor. You don't have to open any demat account for this. There is no mandate and you can do it without the demat account also. Demat investors can invest only in ICICI Prudential Silver ETF. But non-demat account investors, they can invest in ICICI Prudential Silver ETF Fund of Fund. This is the main difference. Silver is a tangible asset. It has a diversified area of applications. Investor need not to worry about the purity of silver quality because it will be 100% Investing in the silver is prudent investment during the crisis. It acts as a potential hedge against inflation, and silver ETF FOF provides opportunity to invest through lump sum or SIP mode. Diversifying portfolio with silver can reduce the overall portfolio risk. Another one is majority of silver is consumed and not available for the recycling. So here there is a chance of recycling also. Silver ETF FOF enables the investment from a non-demat account holding investor. This is a plus point. Last but not the least, silver is used for solar panels, medical instruments and switches, satellites, etc. So it is not only a commodity, it has wide uses also. Just giving a script of the ETF Fund of Fund. NFO period, as I told you, it is starting from 13 January till 27th of January. Plans, options, both regular and direct options are there. Fund manager is Manish Bhantia and Nishit Patel. Minimum application amount is during NFO or during ongoing offer period, it is 100 rupees plus in multiple of rupees 1. Minimum application amount is applicable for switches made during the new fund offer period as well. Minimum additional application including switches is rupees 100 and in multiple of rupees 1. SIP during NFO ongoing offer period, daily, weekly, fortnightly. SIP mate is common everywhere. Benchmark index is domestic price of silver as derived from the LBMA prices. That is a very particular point actually. Exit load is if the amount is sought to be redeemed or switched out is invested period for a period of up to 15 days from the date of allotment. It is 1% of NAV. So there is hardly any exit load. Means only you have to keep your money for 15 days and after that your money is free from the exit load. Anytime you can withdraw and you can take the price of silver as well. Great choice. Minimum redemption amount is any amount. In riskometer, it is moderately high. Understand the fact that it's not high or very high. So this was all for this silver ETF as of now. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much.